What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Beautiful Boy by jxdn. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'm gonna have to show you the text that your mommy sent me calling me a beautiful boy, and then she took me out for a steak dinner. What is wrong with me? Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's just got two different chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be this version of an E minor 7. It's technically an E minor 7 sus 2. You're going to bar the entire 7th fret with your index finger starting on the A string. Ring finger is going to go on the 9th fret of the D, and your middle finger is going to go on the 8th fret of the G. And then we have an A major 7. Your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the D. Index finger is on the 1st fret of your G string, and your middle finger or your ring finger is on the 2nd fret of the B string. Once you get those chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Throughout both chords, and that goes twice, so it looks like down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab if there's a guitar tab, or for a free CAPO or a free ebook. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.